Hi everyone. So in this video, I would like to show you a new artist model and with new technique in Photoshop. Okay, the artist itself is Fiona Pardington. I need to share my screen first. So she is Fiona Pardington. She's really famous visual artist and photographer. So she's an Aucklander. She is from Devonport, Auckland, and nationwide really famous. And then, so as you can see here, Hey Tiki has like a dragged image, so which is motion trails. So you can make this effect in Photoshop quite easily. Also, you can see here it's the same motion trail images. Okay, it's also you can see it. Okay, just share, stop sharing and go my Photoshop. Okay, so as you can see here, it's a Hey Tiki has dragged the image like a motion trails quite clearly. Okay, and the white object and the background is black. That is really important point you have to make it. So when you take your subject, when you take a pic, you have to make this kind of a contrast, high contrast to background of black, and your subject is white. It's kind of like, lighter color or lighter tone it has. If you don't have like, black wall and the black background, so you can use your jackets or something like a black stuff on the floor. So I took my subject, which is my shoe. So I don't have like a black wall and a black background. That's why I used my jacket. I put it on the floor and put the shoe on and just took photo. That's pretty easy. And if your house has like a black or a darky key, like a darker carpet, just put your stuff on the floor and then take it like this. It's quite easy. It's important stuff is you have to make high contrast in between background and your subject. So, which is a key point to make your motion trails effect successful. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna use that one. Okay, the first of all, hit one and get layer 0. And then this is really easy. And you have to select the force from the top tool. So which is object selection tool. Just click and object selection tool. And then, so you don't need to click that one, or just you don't need to, just like, whatever you want, just choose quick selection tool, magic wand tool, but it has this window. So little, rectangular shape window says like select subject. All you have to do is just click that one. And now as your object is being selected, as quite easily, and just your castle on selection area within the selection area, and then right click, and then window comes up, and then you can find out layer by copy, and then click that one, and automatically comes up selected layer like this. Okay, so I'm gonna make it clear. So just select layer 1, this, not background. Okay, then you go to filter from the top and you can find out blur, and then you need to select motion blur. Okay, and the preview is like this, and probably not probably just the angle is just 2 degree, and then distance is, I would say, 700. Just depends on the size of image, but it just larger number is better. 700 is better, I think. Just okay. Just compare with the bar, it's really high. But either way, you can find out like an emotion tails. I would say 700 is good number to get best result. And just click OK. And then, so you need to select the top one, just castle. That's a move tool. And then click. And just you need to carefully drag your image towards the left. So just guideline says like, evenly shifted. Okay, just carefully shift, move it. Okay, and then you're gonna go to this section. It says normal, the blending mode of layer. Okay, and I would say lighter color. And you're gonna find out something like a real distinct line, like a silhouette of the soul. And this occasion, you can change its opacity. It's not 100%, but don't make really huge change, just slightly using the bar towards left and carefully select. I think it's 7 or something. Just depends on your tuition. Just act on your tuition. Act on your tuition. Act on your instinct, sorry. Yeah. And if you're gonna make really small number, your motion tails will disappear about, I would say about 80 or 70. Around 70 or 80. I would say 80. Okay, just 80 and just okay. And just finish. You have made motion tails technique, motion tails effect on your image, which comes from Fiona Pardington. She is a really famous Auckland visual artist and photographer. You can steal her image. Okay, stop sharing now, and it's your turn. You can make so brilliant, good image. Okay, let's get started. See ya. Bye.